Welcome to part 2 of our ride from Victoria, British Columbia to Sturgis, South Dakota. Today we are riding through Idaho. We are riding through and beside the Coeur d'Alene National Forest. Starting out at Falls Park in the town of Post Falls. We went to Falls Park to see the lake and the dam. There is also a stocked pond, a picnic area, and a playground. Just down the highway is the pretty town of Coeur d'Alene. At the marina at Harrison Slough. Old Mission State Park. The Mission is the oldest building in Idaho, built between 1850 and 1853. We got here after 5 in the summer, so the insides of the buildings were closed. There are some examples of the Coeur d'Alene tribe's way of life in the park. There are trails in the surrounding forest around the park as well. The town of Wallace. The entire town of Wallace is on the National Historic Register. A local told us that was to stop Interstate 90 from going through the middle of town. There are mining artifacts on display around town. People of Wallace seem to have a good sense of humor, including officially declaring Wallace the center of the universe. Found a place to eat on 9 Mile Creek. Even the pub was showing us the history of the town. Wallace has been mined for silver, gold, and other metals. There is still silver mining today. The largest forest fire in U.S. history destroyed a third of the downtown of Wallace in 1910. Thanks for joining us on part 2 of our adventure. Hit like, subscribe, and the little bell, and you'll be notified for our next one.